Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I wanted to go over this week's very critical trade zones. I wanted to focus on the big three, first starting with King Bitcoin itself. So we're looking at the BTC USD daily chart as of June 17th, 2018. But should be relevant for the remainder of the week because I do think it'll take some time for this pattern to play out on Bitcoin. But anyway, let's dive right into what I'm looking at here. So for those who have recalled from some of my previous live streams or some of my previous recordings, I did draw this triangular pattern, or you call it a pennant as well. And my theory was that Bitcoin was going to respect this pattern. I'm usually not a big fan of patterns actually, but I do find that Bitcoin actually does respect these, if you want to call it a triangle, if you want to call it pennants. So what we are looking at right now is that Bitcoin is so far respecting this this formation. It's kind of actually quite beautiful the way it's respecting it. But anyway, there are some, for the bulls, there's some more worrying signs here. We are breaking below the 21 EMA, while at the same time we are hovering above this ascending trend line. Now for the bears, one thing that's going against you is that you really want Bitcoin to get below this 55 EMA. And then let's talk about that. So if Bitcoin breaks below this trend line, that means it's going to break below this critical moving average, this green line right here, the 55 EMA, which is currently coming in at 102.42 or so. So if we do crack below this this pivot point, let's call it 102.5 or so, we'll probably see a quick retest of 100. We'll see if that psychological level holds. If not, guys, I really think we'll probably crash down to 96,000 or 96, 97. I think that would be a good target on Bitcoin. So let me draw a line here. So this probably be a good target, and from here, let's measure this move out. So that'll be probably like a 7% move. Yeah. So same time, if the bulls can reclaim this pivot zone, we'll probably see a retest of the all-time highs at 112K. All right, so I think that covers Bitcoin. I think that should make sense for everyone. Now let's actually go into Ethereum. So actually, I have like too many lines shown here. Let's delete some of them. Oh, and before I forget, guys, be sure to subscribe to our Telegram group. We've been posting amazing signals all week. Myself, along with Crypto Beast, crypto trader, I've been posting signals analysis, and we've just been, I think, really been killing this market, and people have been making lots of profits. So be sure to subscribe to the XXCRYPTO Telegram channel. Link will be in the description. Now, let's get back to the charts. Let's get back to Ethereum. And I think I'll cover just Ethereum, and then I'll cover Solana in my next live stream. So I want you guys to tune into my live stream. That's when I'll cover Solana. For now, you'll just get Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now for Ethereum on a daily chart, what we have here is horizontal support at, let's call it 2460. And then we have horizontal resistance at 2700, let's say. Now we did have like a false breakout above 2700, but this quickly was a false breakout, and we flushed back down to retest support 2460 on a daily closing basis. We'll probably see probably like a retest of 2400, and then it'll probably just go back down to probably to the 2000s. But for right now, it is holding this range. If it can break above 2700, I think we'll ultimately retest 2800 and hopefully soar to 3000 and above. So yeah, that covers my thoughts on Bitcoin, on Ethereum. Hope that helps. Be sure to tune in to our next streams. And yeah, guys, stay trading out there. Use proper risk management, and be sure to follow along to all of our analysis, all of our setups in the Telegram group. All right, I'm gonna leave it off here. See you soon.